Guys, have you ever dreamed of designing your own tattoo, but wasn't sure where to start? Or maybe you're a tattoo artist looking for fresh inspiration. Well, today I've got something exciting to share with you. It's called Tattoo AI, and it's changing the game in tattoo design. So stick around as we dive into this incredible AI-powered tattoo generator app. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is Ideas Tattoo AI. Now, before we get into it, Tattoo AI asked me to review this software in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So, you know what? Who is Tattoo AI for, right? I mean, who's going to use this? Well, I reckon that whether you're considering your first ink or you're a seasoned tattoo lover, like myself, this app could just be for you. It's a great tool for tattoo artists seeking new ideas, and even if you're just fascinated by AI technology, you're going to find Tattoo AI pretty interesting. So why are people using Tattoo AI? Well, first of all, it's a time saver. You can quickly generate personalized tattoo patterns in various styles. It's also a great source of creative inspiration. Plus, it helps you visualize designs on different body parts before you commit to that permanent ink. Now, let's look at the key features that make Tattoo AI stand out. Well, the core feature is obviously its AI-powered tattoo generation capabilities. I mean, you can simply enter your ideas or themes or choose from various style templates. The AI then turns your text into tattoo designs. And you know what? It's like having a little pocket tattoo artist with you all the time, right? Or maybe not. But you know what? It's got some very cool features. I mean, you can see how your chosen design looks on your body in real time. You can even adjust the transparency for a more realistic look. And you know what? It's super helpful if you just want to see how a tattoo might look before getting that permanent ink. I mean, Tattoo AI also lets you apply tattoos to specific body locations. So you can upload your photos, select areas like arms, thighs, shoulders, whatever, and the app then creates the tattoo effect in those areas. I mean, it's a great way to experiment with tattoo placement. And you know what? Here's a fun feature. You can create exclusive avatar tattoos, upload a photo of your partner, family member, idol, I mean, even your dog, right? And the app will turn it into an interesting and beautiful tattoo design. And I think it's a unique way to kind of keep your loved ones close to you. I mean, that's what we do, right? We do tattoo, you know, relatives, pets, whatever, on our bodies. So it's a nice thing to do. Now, the advantage of using Tattoo AI, I mean, let's say first up, style exploration, right? I mean, you know, you could pay a tattoo artist to design a tattoo for you, and you know what, they'll probably charge you for that because it takes a long time. I'm not saying this is a replacement, but as a first pass, you know, you can select whether you want traditional, modern, abstract, realistic, type in your own words, and you know what, you're going to get some design ideas. And you know what, that try-on feature is another big area. I mean, using augmented reality technology, you can see how your tattoo is going to look on your actual body. I mean, you know, it's like having a risk-free trial before committing to that permanent ink. Now, Tattoo AI also makes it easy to save and share your designs. You can revisit them later, you can share them with friends, and you know what, you can even share them with your tattoo artist. And this feature is great for getting feedback or showing your artist exactly what you want. So you know what, let's have a quick walkthrough of how to use Tattoo AI. First, download the app, right? So this is a mobile phone app, a smartphone app, iPhone, Android, whatever. So download your app. Once installed, open it up and create an account. Now you're ready to start designing. So you can begin by typing in your tattoo idea or theme. For example, let's say you want a nature inspired tattoo, or you might want to type in Viking or cat riding a Harley, right? So you can do all of that, right? Then you choose your preferred style from the available templates, and these might include options like minimalist or watercolor or black and white realism, whatever, right? Then click generate and watch as the AI creates several unique tattoo designs based on your input. You can also generate multiple designs until you find the one you love. And now, once you've found that design you like, it's time to try it on. So use the virtual fitting feature to see how it looks on your different body parts. You can adjust the size, placement, or whatever just to get it right. And if you want to see how it looks on your own body, then use the photo upload feature. Take a picture of the area you're considering to get the tattoo on. Apply the design. I'm going to put one on my face here. I don't know if I'd ever do that, but you know what? Hey, why not? Try it out, see what it looks like. You might like it. And then, you can apply that to the specific location in the app. And don't forget to save your favorite designs, guys. You can create a collection of ideas to revisit later. And finally, when you're happy with a design, you can share it directly from the app. You can send it to friends for their opinion or to your tattoo artist to discuss further. Now, remember guys, Tattoo AI is a tool for inspiration and visualization. It's not really meant to replace the expertise of a professional tattoo artist. And of course, guys, also please consult with a professional before getting any permanent tattoo. And also family, depending on how old you are, I think it's 16, 18, I don't know. You need some sort of permission from family, right? Parents, those people. So guys, there you have it. Tattoo AI, your personal AI powered tattoo designer. Whether you're dreaming up your first tattoo or your 50th, this app can help bring your ideas to life. So head over to the App Store or Play Store and give it a try. Download Tattoo AI and start creating your unique tattoo designs today. And guys, I will leave any product links and any discount codes, whatever, in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Tattoo AI for sending me this cool software to review. And please, again, make sure you get permission if you need it before committing to any permanent ink. Guys, I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.